Hey, so today's unboxing, we're going to take a look at the Carwash Cannon. This is a product that's been on the market for a little while, and there's a big surge of these products right now that foam up your car. They take water, and they take air, and they take soap, and they take your garden hose, and they attach it all together, and they make a sort of a foamy blast on your car for car washing. So let's take a look at what you're supposed to do here. You're supposed to spray it on, rinse it off, and then have an amazing looking car. It's got a certain amount of soap and water that go in there and creates a big thick foam. And apparently it's got a spray tip at the end. It's got another nozzle here in the front, and then it's got a big, I think it's a 32-ounce amount of water and soap mixed, and it's supposed to work with any soap. So any car wash brand you've got, it's supposed to work with that. And then you've got a bunch of nozzles here, and it comes with its own nozzle for your own garden hose, and then the garden hose, of course, hooks onto that. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is the Cannon tub itself, and there's a little dial on top that it's got different mixes. It clicks around. It's got different settings for a different mix, and then there's where here's where the Cannon attaches. There's a a source for to make sure you soak up all the soap and everything from every part of the tub here. That's a 32-ounce jar. And then we have a plastic container with a line on it that says soap on the bottom. So that's supposed to be where you put your soap and the rest water. Well, let's take a look at the rest of what we got here. Here is the actual trigger mechanism that goes on there. And we have another nozzle here for something. And then let's see. Oh, here's the foam part. And then there's another little nozzle that comes with that. Not sure where this goes, but let's see what the instructions say. Okay, so here is what they give you with the instructions. You can pause on this and take a bit closer look. This part is the foam nozzle, and that's kind of the way that works. Item number 1 there. Then item number 2 is the mixing head. That's the blue part here. And then you have the part 3 is the quick connector. That is this part that goes on the front. Then you have the hand grip, and that's part of your nozzle here where you're going to give it some gas to get the car wash started when you connect it all. And then you have number 7. That is an adapter, just in case your hose doesn't fit or you need to put something else in there. And they still do not tell you what this small little piece is right here. I don't know what that is. But anyway, so you put all this together, and then you've got your choice of ratios. So if you choose a 0 on the dilution ratio, that would be the standard ratio would be off. That would be pure water going through there, I would say, to rinse your car. And then you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be ranging from 100 to 1 to a 10 to 1 mix. I guess that would determine how foamy the thing gets, maybe. I don't know. So tune in for a future video, and we'll take a look at how this thing actually works. And but for now, that is the unboxing, and that's what we've got inside the box of the Carwash Cannon.